Hey, Blake here. And now I want to show you an old school cocktail called the Kamikaze. Now we could serve this in the rocks, but tonight let's serve this martini style. So we'll use our martini glass and we're going to garnish this with lime. But we're going to mix it in a 16-ounce mixing glass, 3/4 of the way with ice. I'm going to take 3 wedges of lime and squeeze these very thoroughly right down in the drink. Okay, here's one more here. Okay, now we're going to take our vodka and triple sec and we're going to pour this at 2 ounces. Pour this a little bit heavier. We're going to pour at the same time. I'll pull the triple sec off first and then pull the vodka off. We're going to add just a squirt of some lime concentrate. Then I'm going to give this a shake. I can already see the pulp in this drink. It looks beautiful. We'll pour up and we're ready to serve. That looks like an awesome Kamikaze. Cheers.